athletes. So now, number 5, we see a situation where we have rational exponents, right? Now we could convert this into radical form and work it out from there, but no need to do that. We can just solve this straight from exponential form. And so my recommendation, and I think this is a strong recommendation here, is to cancel out the denominator first, right? So I want to raise everything to the 4th power so that I can cancel these out, right? And so then I'll have x cubed equals 3 to the 4th, which is 81. Okay. And then now we can take the cube root of both sides. Okay. All right. And that will cancel out cube there, and so we'll get x equals the cube root of 81, which is, anybody know? 3 cube root 3, right? Okay, so in a couple ways to do that, you can remember that 81 is cube root 27, which is a perfect cube, times cube root 3. And remember, the other way to do it, and this I think is the most straightforward way. If you're not sure what goes into a number, just break it down into a factor tree, right? And so 81, if you break it down to prime numbers, is a product of 4 3's, right? So you have enough for one group of 3, right? Since the index is 3, you have enough for 1 3 to come out, right? And then you have this leftover 3 here that ends up staying inside, okay? So that's another way to do it if you're having trouble with the perfect cube or, perfect whatever power, okay? All right, now we do have to check for extraneous because we did raise both sides to the 4th power. So we just really want to make sure if we do, if we put in this for x, will it result in that, right? So if I do 3 cube root 3 to the 3/4 power, does it equal 3, right? And just remember once again that we also had 3 cube root 3 is equal to cube root 81. So cube root 81 to the 3/4 power, does that equal 3? And remember, 81 to the or cube root 81 is the same as 81 to the 3rd power. So here we can multiply the exponents. So 1/3 times 3/4 is 1/4, right? These cancel out. And 81 to the 1/4 is the same as the 4th root of 81, and that does equal 3, right? So it checks out. Okay. So and really for that one, since this is equal to a positive, like there's really not going to be any value unless we got something that was negative here, and we had a 4th root there, or a 4th denominator. That would be the only extraneous situation in this case. All right, shoot me questions if you have them, and we'll go on to the next one.